Hey guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to create product ads using Creatify AI tools. So I'm going to show you step-by-step tutorials how you can create a avatar video and how you can create AI video ads. So you can turn your URL into video, and also you can write a script. They will help you to create the script, and finally they will add different styles, and then you can download the video. Okay, so let's see their winning ads. So click on winning ads, and you will find a section where the format on, also you can find the format on, platform, okay, status and industry. Who can create this kind of videos? So if you are a freelancer, you can work for your client or buyer, and you can produce videos. Okay, so these are the samples, and these are the videos that already generated. Okay, here you can see. So you can trial this website Creatify AI, and you can watch this kind of ads they are already creating, and they are already advertising. Okay, so you can produce different kind of ads for your TikTok, for Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Okay, also definitely the Shopify, different kind of ads over here, different products and different styles. Okay, so let's play this video. Okay,
this will clean any sunglass, any eyeglass better than anything I've ever used.
You guys see that? Okay, this looks like a new lens.
What I love about Peeps is that it's safe to use for my lenses.
These are little.
Okay guys, it's a 1 minute video, 1 minute 02 seconds video. Okay, perfect. So it's really powerful tool, Creatify AI. So visit this website and just sign up with your Gmail account. This is my account. It's a completely free account, guys. Okay, and I'm just going to create ads for my project. Okay, so let's click on video section, and I'm going to pick a AI video ads. Turn any product URL, visual assets or scripts into winning video ads. Okay, that's we are looking for. So click on that. Perfect guys, and it will open a new page, and where you can see this is my credit section. Like, mean I have only 20 credits. It's a free account. Okay guys, so share your product link to generate video. So maybe you are wonder you don't have any e-store, that's mean Shopify store or Amazon store, eBay, okay, any WordPress e-commerce website. So how you can find the product link? Okay, so that's the tricks. Okay, here you can see it's a analyze section. It's a that's mean product URL to video. That's mean if you have any client website, Shopify website, okay, so you can copy the product link, and then you can paste, and you can analyze the URL, and they will produce a video. So I have already made this kind of videos, so you can check it my YouTube channel and you will get it. But in this video we just want to create it manually. So in this video I'm not going to show you any product URL to video. We want a total AI script, and then we want a video. So click on upload manually, and you will see a brand name or product name, and that should be a logo. So you can upload a logo over here. Also you can type a brand name and then product description that you want. Here you can see the assets. You can confirm the assets you want to use, higher quality clips and images result in better results. That means you can upload your images and videos, okay, especially the product, and also you can write a product description. Okay, also you can copy from other products and upload. So let's upload the product images. So I have already downloaded few images like the, okay, so let's upload these images. Perfect. So you can use your client images, also you can download from Google if you want to produce. So if you work for others, so definitely you will ask for some images. Okay, so click on next. Alright guys, so video settings, that's mean you have to select the video platform, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. If you want to run ads on TikTok, so I'm going to select on TikTok, and aspect ratio must be 9:16 and 30 seconds. Perfect. Language, okay, so target audience, so you can click on target audience. So just blank, click on next. Choose or create your script. So these are the AI generated scripts. So you can use, also you can use your own script. So if you have any script on particular product that you want to produce a video, so you can use ChatGPT or Gemini or DeepSeek. Okay, so I'm just going to use the product highlights. It's a engaging tone. So click on next. Perfect guys, and choose your favorite avatar. This is very interesting. So realistic avatar, styled avatar, so just check it out which one you prefer. Okay, and a custom avatar. Also you can use your custom own avatar. Okay, and the very interesting, we can select the gender, also the ages, and also the location and industry, okay, and style. Okay, so I'm going to use a realistic avatar, and it exclusively for premium customers. Okay, so you can use different kind of styles. Alright, so let's select on our realistic avatars. Alright, so let's select the industry overall, apparel and accessories. Alright guys, so these are the sports and outdoor. Okay, so just I'm going to select Daniel. Okay, perfect. Also you can select, okay, so let's click on next. Oh sorry guys, so one more step left. Okay, 17 videos are generated. Wow, that's incredible. Select one or more to render. That's mean we can render. That's when we have to render the video, and you have to choose the video style. So perfect guys, this is the first one. 20 seconds video, 14 seconds, 14 seconds video. Perfect. Different styles, different formation. Okay, 14 seconds. I confused which one I should have picked. Okay, and click on render video. Alright guys, and our video is rendering, so let's see. I will show you the final results. Alright guys, so finally done. So let's click on complete. Okay, so I think our video is ready, so click on here. So let's play the video.
Unparalleled joy of using ShopSmart, a revolutionary approach that transforms your entire shopping experience effortlessly. Discovering less price has revolutionized how I save without compromising quality. Their unbeatable deals and diverse selection have become my go-to choice. Don't miss out. Start saving.
Alright guys, 25 seconds video, and it's amazing. Okay, so let's download the video. Okay, alright guys, so if you want to remove the watermark, so click on here, remove the watermark. So definitely you have to upgrade your plan. Okay, it's a $33 USD per month, starter 49. Okay, and custom. Okay, so if you're an entrepreneur and if you have running a Shopify dropshipping website, and you want to run ads, and you need different kind of product ads, so I think Creatify would be a perfect one. Okay, so you can try. So it's time to download, so click on download, and it will be downloading with the watermark. Okay, alright guys, our video is downloaded. So if you found this video is helpful, comment below, and don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe for more updates. Okay, so I will come back with new tutorials, so stay tuned. See you in the next video.